Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to contact support in the Esky app on your Android phone. If you have any questions or issues with your bookings, reaching out to Esky's support team is quick and easy once you know where to go. You will be able to send your inquiries efficiently. First, open the Esky app on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the account icon. Next, scroll down the account menu until you find Contact Us and tap on it. You will see different contact options, so select Contact Form to proceed. Then, you need to choose the category of your question and the topic of your message. This helps Esky support understand your request more clearly. Once done, the contact form will open for you to fill out. After that, enter your full name, phone number, and the email address associated with your Esky account. If required, include your booking number and trip date to make it easier for the support team to locate your booking. Then write your message explaining the issue or question you have. Finally, check the box to agree to the terms and click on Send Message. Your message will be sent to the support team, and they will contact you as soon as possible. Contacting Esky support through the app is straightforward if you follow these steps carefully. Using the contact form ensures your inquiry reaches the right team efficiently and helps